We believed that the pumps had failed. Our deacons and trustees, including myself, was wondering how they're going to do this. You're talking 5,714 square feet of the lower level. It was terrible. There were times we came in for worship and happened to go downstairs and step right into water. I kind of started the search from a friend, and Dry Guys, I saw the sign outside it was her mother's home, and they were doing work there. And knowing her, a woman of integrity, of honesty, just no way she would have had you come in and Dry Guys to do work had she not had high reviews or high respect for your work. Some of our members, our congregants, knew people or knew places in which Dry Guys did work, and they said the work was outstanding. We had some estimates from some other companies. We had in 2 of our corners in the basement, it was sinking down. The other 2 references never mention it. If they said they were going to be there at 9 o'clock, the team, the crew, they were there. And plus, they gave me an opportunity to get involved. I had my shovel. I started tearing things down. I felt a part of it. I even asked for a Dry Guys shirt. They were willing to walk me around every day at the close of the day and then go over what they accomplished. I gotta say that my lovely wife, Phyllis, who can smell anything, she walked downstairs and she said, "This is good. I'm amazed." They're experts. So I'll be willing to have people come through and walk through and see and smell for themselves. I'd like to give a shout out to Dan Gattuso, also to Pete Fordorkowitz, to Rich, I believe his name is Harris, to Freddie, to Danny, to Alex, to the whole crew. They've done an outstanding job, and I hope this is not over. We do have another building at 145 South Laurel Street. We certainly wouldn't mind calling on you guys to come back.